There goes Midget Man. There literally goes Midget Man. I'm gonna zoom in even though it might look junky, but there's Midget Man. This is what Pokemon Go does to people. He's going in for the Magikarp.
Did you get him?
Not yet.
Keep an eye out for cops.
Alright, yeah.
Talk to me, I don't want them to.
He's going for the Magikarp. Get it, boys! Jamie.
Bush Light, the beer for bushes.
I just think this might be. It's not bad. Alright, guys, here we go. I am finally gonna take you guys to work. Question that I've gotten is, do the Black Lives Matter movements affect armored truck drivers doing their job? Do they? Yes, they do. We've had a few incidents. One was actually here, where we are now, which I'm not going to tell you. But yes, they have stopped some of our coworkers off duty, just wearing the uniform with the patch, going home. They'll stop them and yell profanity. That has gotten out of hand. It's no longer a protest. And I don't even know why they're coming after us. We didn't even look that much like cops, I guess. But seriously, you should know what the cops look like in your own city. This is ridiculous. This is the inside. Well, this is just the Bay Area, I should say. This is the Bay Area. It's alright. They have no AC out here, but it's okay. We'll be alright. So, yeah, this is where we load off, where we unload all our goodies and stuff right in here. Bay Area. Bay 6. Right there. There's partner in crime. Grizzly bear's all the way in the back there. Way back there is grizzly bear. Yeah, we get kicked out of there under the heat all the time. It's like we're the fucking animals. We can go out. That's kind of fun. Sitting out here outside the base, the home base. Anyway, night's over. Done everything, gotten everything ready for our morning routes and good stuff. But let's go back to that Black Lives Matter movement stuff that's been an issue with the armored truck division of whatever America. It hasn't been like a show-stopping issue. They're not an issue really. It's just an inconvenience when they think we're police officers. We're not. And when they do, it just gets a little rough and it gets violent and rude and vulgar, which it shouldn't, because they shouldn't have all that hatred towards police officers in the first place. But yeah, that's all I have to really say on the topic. All lives matter. Plain and simple. Oh, hi. Alright guys, so that's it. We're gonna end it right there. That's been a really cool day. Maybe I'll take you guys along again tomorrow. We'll do some different things tomorrow, show you different procedures. No, probably not. But anyway, that was fun. We're gonna end it right there. Hopefully you guys have a good night in my fridge, and we'll see you next time.